myself Monalisa Kujur. I am working here as assistant lecturer obstetrics and gynecological department, and this is our obstetrics and gynecological lab, and I am the in charge of the lab. In our lab we have divided 4 sections: antenatal section, intranatal section, postnatal section and immunization section. Here we teach the students how to perform antenatal examination of the woman and how to conduct normal delivery and which kind of care given to the postnatal woman. We have so many models which is prepared by our students.
Student of BSc Nursing 4th year. Here is our OBG lab, and we studied in 4th year. It's our subject midwifery and obstetrical gynecology. In our OBG lab, we studied about the antenatal care, postnatal care and antenatal care of the woman during pregnancy, and we studied about and we learned many demonstrations from our OBG lab, and we studied about the instrument that used in the hospital during pregnancy of the woman, and we learned demonstration procedure in the OBG lab.